We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Csyibeielec Dashcam front and rear, 4K, HD, dual dash camera for cars, built-in 5G Wi-Fi GPS, 64GB card. Consists of the following features. 4K plus 1080p dual recording dashcam. The Csyibeielec front and rear dashcam can simultaneously record video at ultra-high definition 4K, 3840x 2160p, and 1080p resolution. It helps you to capture critical details such as license plates, road signs, oncoming pedestrians, and other key elements on the road. Wide-angle view and superior night vision. Equipped with a 170 degrees front-facing and 150 degrees rear camera lens, this automobile dashcam covers a wide area around your vehicle. The advanced night vision technology ensures clear footage, to ensure that it can record vivid colors and true clear details in low light and complex light motion environments, making night driving safer. G-sensor. Csyibeielec dash camera has a built-in G-sensor to detect sudden movement or impact. When an event is detected on the road, it automatically locks and protects the relevant footage, ensuring it will not be overwritten during loop recording. 24-hour parking mode. Car dash camera automatically transitions to parking mode for continuous surveillance when your car is stationary. Time-lapse recording efficiently condenses videos, conserving power and storage. It requires an additional ACC hardwire kit. 64GB loop recording. The Csyibeielec car dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory is full, ensuring continuous recording with the included 64GB card. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi. Csyibeielec wireless dashcam compatible with 5G and Wi-Fi. Enjoy faster wireless data transfer and conveniently share videos on social media while on the go. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.